Assalamu alaikum. The topic of today's practical is urine examination part 2. So today we will study about the microscopic examination of the urine. So let's start with the procedure of the microscopic examination. Here are 5 steps explained in the diagram. First of all, you have to collect a fresh urine sample of 5 to 10 ml in the container. Okay. And then transfer the urine to a tube that can be used in your centrifuge. Secondly, you have to spin the sample in a centrifuge at around 1500 revolution per minute for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, you should see a pellet at the bottom of the tube. So discard the supernatant. Supernatant is the liquid above the pellet and you have to discard it. After that, gently tap the bottom of the tube to resuspend the pellet at the bottom of the tube in the small volume of the urine that is left in the urine tube. Use a dropper to place one drop of the resuspended pellet onto your slide. And lastly, gently place the cover slip over the drop on the slide. Put the slide on the microscope and start exploring. So, these were the steps for sample collection of the urine and for the microscopic examination of the urine sample. What you see in the microscopic examination of the urine, you see different cells which are WBCs, RBCs, cast. So what are WBCs? A few WBCs are present in normal individuals, more than 2 cells per high power field in males and 4 to 5 cells per high power field in females indicate trauma or stone. So here you can see in the diagram how WBCs or pus cells are seen in under microscope. And here you can see the urine dipstick test, how it appears on the urine dipstick test. According to the color, you diagnose about whether it is negative, trace, weakly positive, moderately positive or strongly positive. So next, here are you can see RBCs in the urine microscopic examination. RBCs are normally absent. Greater than 2 cells per high power field in males and more than 2 to 5 cells per high power field in females indicate any stone, glomerulonephritis, bacterial infection or some hemolytic disease. So here is a diagram showing how RBCs appear under the microscopic examination of the urine. Next, you can see the epithelial cells. Epithelial cells, there are normal 1 to 5 epithelial cells per high power field in the urine. Moderate or high number of epithelial cells in the urine indicate renal tubular damage, stone or infection. Here is a diagram showing the microscopic picture of epithelial cells in microscopic examination of the urine. So you can see how epithelial cells are seen under microscope in microscopic examination of the urine. Next, you can see different crystals in the urine sample under microscope. Uric acid crystals form canaliculi or stone. Cystine crystals causes cystinuria. Alkaline crystals like calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, magnesium phosphate form different stones. So here is the diagram showing the normal crystals and abnormal crystals, how there are different shapes, how different crystals show their shape, like uric acid, calcium oxalate, calcium phosphate. These are the shape of the normal crystals. And you can also see the abnormal crystal shape like bilirubin, cholesterol, cystine and leucine, etc. So here are the pictures and diagrams showing the different microscopic appearance of the crystals and in microscopic examination of the urine. Lastly, you can see the cast. What is cast? Urinary cast. What are cast? Urinary casts are tiny tube-shaped particles found under microscopic examination of the urine. Urinary cast may be made up of RBCs, WBCs and hyaline cast or epithelial cast. These are different type of cast you can see under microscopic examination of the urine. So here is the diagram showing cells found in the urine sample. So different cells we have studied in detail, that we can see under microscope in urine microscopic examination. We can see RBCs, epithelial cells, cast, crystals and other cells. So how RBCs are seen under microscope? They can be red blood cells like ghost RBCs, crenatid RBCs. So these are the diagrams how we can see the RBCs under a microscope in microscopic examination of the urine. So here is epithelial cell. Here is that diagram of epithelial cell like renal, squamous, transitional, and caudate. Other cells like WBCs, yeast cells, sperm. These are the diagrams of different cells. In cast, you can see blood cells, hyaline cast. In crystals, there are different shapes of the crystals like triple phosphate, calcium carbonate, leucine, tyrosine, calcium oxalate. So basically, we have to see different cells cast under the microscopic examination of the urine, and it is very important clinically to study the microscopic examination of the urine to diagnose the different bacterial infections like UTI. As you know, it is a very important clinical problem. So microscopic examination of the urine is very important, and you should know about the basic knowledge of the microscopic examination of the urine. So that was all about the microscopic examination of the urine. Thank you.